random variables. So what are random variables? First question that comes in our mind is what is random variables? So basically what a random variables is that any number is assigned to a particular event. Let's suppose we consider an event in which there are some people tossing a coin. We assign head to one number, we assign tail or zero number. So this assigning of number, this we call it as the random variables. These are the random variable. Okay, so we denote it by x. Okay, so this is what we can understand from what is the random variable. And the random variables are divided into two types of variables. One is discrete and the other one is continuous. So what is the difference between the discrete and continuous is that, so when we consider the example of tossing a coin, there are only two possibilities. Either it could be head or it could be a tail. Okay, so these two possibilities will only occur. There is no other possibility. Okay, so in the similar manner, if we measure the height of a population, very large population, then we tend to get the values very close. Like we'll have 4 feet height, then 4.001 height, 4.002. So that distribution will almost become continuous, you see. So that continuity makes it continuous random variable. So that way we can define another variable y as the height of people in a population. So that is the way. So we have the PMF. What is PMF? PMF is probability mass function. And what is PDF? PDF is probability density function. So what is PMF is like assigning what is the probability of a getting head, or we can say what is the probability of random variable being equal to 1. As we previously defined that head is assigned 1 and the tail is assigned 0. So in this way we can have different things to cover up with. So what we will have is the probability of x equal to 1 is equals to 0.5, and we also have the probability phi is equals to x equals to 0 as also 0.5. So this is how it goes. So this is the basics of uh, probability and statistics. And in the similar way, we have the probability density function where the function is a defined. Suppose there is a population which has the variation of its height in this way. So what we do is we take a particular range. Okay, from this height to this height, what is the probability that people lie in this height? So there we define the probability density function, which is the function that can be of any nature. So suppose this is a normal distribution. So here we have different kinds of distribution. And one thing to make sure is that the area, that is the total probability, has to be equal to 1. This will make sure that this is a probability density function. Similarly, in the discrete case, if all the probabilities that we have calculated sum up equals to 1, then only we can call it as a PMF, or in PDF we have to integrate it over the entire range of x, that is the random variable, then we have to get the value 1. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you.